This is why I'm usually first.
Oh, for real, this is why you should always be first.
Well, they got here first.
Did you get here mid last?
Just make sure you put in the mileage correctly in Sonar. When state reports come due in July, I'll have the correct mileage. Corey, this is Mona. Hey, I got
There's 317 over there.
this morning and I've got a rock chip installing. So let me see if somebody can fix it before it runs too far. Would be better, but it's going to run. Okay, I'll get that one written up, but make sure everyone writes things up.
That used to be my bus for 3 years.
So 313 was your bus for 3 years straight, huh?
Straight for 3 years, that was my bus.
You could have lasted that for free for 13 years.
Oh my God.
What's going on now? Please wait, dudes.
3, 2, 1.
Here's a 2005 Bluebird All-American. An oldie, but still runs great.
You can see how crowded it's going to be with all the graduators.
Yeah. With all of the graduators, that's going to be all crowded up.
Who are you filming?
Filming your out exterior.
Filming the back of my head.
I wish I could have done that, but I'm currently on the filming of your front.
You save it?
I'm just recording it for the last day of school on my possibly mid-last and last bus ride of the 2005 Bluebird All-American. I hope I can ride you again.
Looks like the graduation's still going on.
Yeah, it seems like it is.